You had a very successful semester this year. Congratulations on that. I also heard that you guys have added some new board members. Can you tell me a little bit about them?
Yeah, we have a new vice president and a new secretary because our current vice president and secretary, one of them is graduating and one of them is graduating next semester, so she'll be taking a break from us. And yeah, so we have two new board members, and they were the captain and co-captain of the baseball team. So what's really good about them is that they have experience with the teams and kind of the procedures and the way that we run things. So they will be a good attribute.
And so who specifically are these two people?
The new vice president is John Bowman, and the new secretary is Tim Gorski.
Great. So this past year went by and you guys had a lot more events than I feel like you guys have ever had.
Definitely.
So how did those events turn out this year?
They were good. We had very successful weeks of welcome events and successful flag football in the beginning. Everything kind of turned when the weather got colder because we obviously didn't have a gym this semester, so everything was outdoors. So a lot of people really didn't show up to our outdoor events probably past September, October. But when we did have our 3-on-3 basketball tournament and our staff for student volleyball tournament, those were a really good turnout because they were indoors.
Great. So next semester, now that you've had these experiences, what things are you planning on doing differently, the same? What's going to go on next semester?
We'll probably only do one dodgeball tournament, and we're hoping to rent out South Loop Elementary School again. So we're going to not even try to do outdoor events during the colder weather, and we're hoping to do maybe a staff or student softball game, maybe in late April once it gets warmer out, and even like an open skate kind of event. So just different things we're going to try out.
And one last final question. Have you guys heard about the Roosevelt gym yet?
We still have not. The athletic director over at Roosevelt is still working with administration to figure out what kind of rental deals that they're going to offer. And so hopefully we'll have that figured out, in January. We were hoping it would be done by now, but, these things take time.
Right. Well, thank you very much, Abby, for this year. Thank you guys for joining us all year long, and please be back to join us again next year.